there, are you suffering from neck, shoulder, and back pain when using your iPad? Are you tired of that painful irritation and stiffness from poor posture? Well, this may be the solution to your discomfort you've been looking for. The Sketchboard Pro.
You know, it's kind of crazy. I've been making videos for YouTube for 12 years. 10 years just for this channel. And this is the first time I have ever had a company send me a product to review. Hello and welcome to Artismia. Thank you for joining me. My name is Brandon. Just so you know, right up front, this video is not sponsored. I did not receive monetary compensation for the making of this video. But the awesome people over at Braintree House did send me one of their Sketchboard Pros so that I could test it out and make this video for you. Now this accessory was designed to help reduce the discomfort of awkwardly holding an iPad while you draw, and I'm here to tell you that that is definitely true. This is a wonderful addition to the iPad drawing experience. You know, every art studio, every classroom, in any school system or university, even my own, when I was teaching, had drawing boards. Now, a drawing board is an essential tool to provide support for your paper, sketchbook, or whatever drawing or painting media you might be using. Now, the Sketchboard Pro was specifically designed and modeled after this essential traditional drawing accessory, and it is pretty great because the cradle that holds the iPad is precision made, allowing the iPad to sit flush to the surface of the board, which creates a smooth surface all around the iPad. This gives much needed support for your hand and arm while drawing. So the Sketchboard Pro has the ability to turn to portrait or landscape and has swing out legs to accommodate whichever direction you might want to use it. Now speaking of the legs, they are probably the only thing I have found that I could be critical or negative about. So the legs are currently at a perfect length, giving the user a great drawing angle to draw with. But if I could change one thing, I would love to see a way to have an adjustable angle or adjustable legs with the ability to adjust the length of each leg. Now the main reason for this need is when shooting videos with a camera mounted above, I have found it somewhat challenging with my current lighting and workspace setup to get just the right angle to avoid glares. Another awesome feature to point out about this product is the upgradable iPad cradle system. This entire centerpiece that holds or cradles the iPad is interchangeable or upgradable. For example, when this Sketchboard Pro first arrived, it was sent with a cradle designed for the iPad 12.9 4th generation, which fit into it perfectly. It was smooth and flush all the way around it. When I used the 4th generation iPad, I didn't notice any problems, but I currently use the 5th generation, which also fits in the cradle very well. But since the 5th generation is approximately 1 millimeter thicker than the 4th generation, you could feel the raised edge when using it. The design of the Sketchboard Pro allows for upgrades or swapping of cradles, so that you can use different iPads with the same Sketchboard Pro board, by simply purchasing the appropriate cradle. This is a great feature because you don't have to buy an entirely new Sketchboard Pro if you upgrade or switch between generations. I also found that the iPad Mini 6 works very well with this accessory. Now it fits in here pretty nicely, but you can't just walk around with the iPad Mini in the cradle, but it sure does work well when drawing on it. So just to recap here, my opinion is not paid for. This is an honest review. I believe this product is pretty great. I had every intention of purchasing one for myself had I not been given this one. It is made well. The materials and construction of it feel solid. Upon opening this product, I really did not expect it to be as nice as it is. I even was impressed enough that I actually joined their affiliate program. So if you would like to get one of these for yourself and help support this channel at the same time, you can use the affiliate link in the description. Now, if you already have one or you're planning on getting one, let me know. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Well, that's going to be it for this one. Thanks for watching, keep practicing, and we'll catch you next time.